Boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you haters I'm getting away. I'm going away. I told you I'm walking away. There's so many things going on with this.
How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. Alright, so 2025 we out with a new one, you know what I'm saying? Company hit me up like, yo, we like your content, we like how you promote shit. I mean stuff. So we gotta show you something. We got something that we want to send you and do a video for. So I'm like, yo, what you got? Company called Verveviper. They said, yo, we try to take over the market. We try to take over the game. So as you know, King Jaffe Joe, we had one of the leading competitors of motorcycle phone locks. I had it, you know what I'm saying? All my people I ride got it. Everyone asks me, like, what kind of phone lock should I get? I tell them the same kind, you know what I'm saying? It's one of the leading brands, you know what I'm saying? You can't beat it. Until Verveviper came out. They said, yo, we taking the market over. We about to smash it. We doing it better. So I said, send me what you got. Send me what you got, y'all. So they sent me over the mag mount. Not gonna lie, it's pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? Nice little packaging, cardboard box, slides open. So first of all, the competitor, plastic. This is all metal. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This is all metal. Look at this right here, all metal. Got a little release right here. It's nice. It's nice. Got a little ball here. So they sent me a little link, asked me what I want. So obviously I got the handlebar, connect the handlebar mount. Got the grab the two-way socket arm to put the mount in the thing on there, and we also actually got the vibration dampener. Obviously, some of you guys know a lot of vibration on the motorcycles. A lot of vibration does damage to your phone. So a lot of people don't know that, but it does. You know what I'm saying? So on your handlebars, it could be messing up your phone. Vibration dampener lessens that by a lot. Absorbers 90% of frequency vibration. 90%, that's good. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at what's the back of this here. Extra strong N54 magnet. Fast, unconscious lock and unlock. It is premium CNC aluminum. You know what I'm saying? Multiple angle support. So easy. So all right. So quick install. When you open these up, slide right down. Nice little box. They give you all the tools you need to install it. So you can do this on the side of the road. So if you got it and you was just about to pull out of your driveway and it popped up in the driveway, take it with you because you can install it on the ride. All right. So got our mount here. A little screw here. Little square, see how a little square there, a little square there. You're gonna put the screw in the hole. The one that comes with the vibration dampener, a little smaller Allen key than the other one, so use a little smaller one there. Get the little square lined up and tighten it down. Boom. Then it even fits with the side, so you can snug her down. All right, now we're gonna use put our ball on here, square like I said, same thing here, boom, comes with the Allen key. Snug her down. I like this actually, I like this a lot, I'm telling you guys, I ain't even lying to y'all. Alright, so now, got that there. Now the handlebar mount comes with different size adapters for whatever size handlebars you got. So obviously you're going to use the size you need for your bars. On the Ryker, we're using the smallest size. Comes with the tool. It comes with the tool and it comes with 3 different screws. So depending on which spacer you use is going to decide what screw you're going to use. So with the Ryker, we're using the middle screw, the middle length screw. Boom. Just gonna throw it over here. We're gonna throw it this way. We're gonna want to have the ball in the back so it can be closer to the bar. So we're just gonna throw it that way. Boom. Throw a screw in there. All right, we're not gonna tighten it up super tight, just so we can move it around how we want it. All right, next we need our arm.
Right here on the floor.
There it is. All right, 2-way clamp arm. We're gonna put one here, and then we grab our mount and we put it here. Now we can line it up how we want, tighten it up. Let's get her nice. All right, easy adjustable, super quick, easy adjustable, so you can adjust it how you want. So now you're wondering, connect it to your phone. How you gonna do it? So they sell cases. So if you have like an iPhone 16 or better, they sell a case that you can put on your phone. Maybe I don't know if a Galaxy, you can check, but they do sell a universal mount. So I'm a Motorola guy. They don't make cases for the Motorola, so I purchased I accepted the universal mount, 2-side tape, super strong. I can't get it off, but look at this right here. Let me show you this right here. Look at this. It's on there. It's on there. You gotta point at the thing. So you're gonna take this right here on there. Look at that on there. So with the competitor mount, I have a problem when I put my phone on there. Seriously, no lie. I can't just put my phone on there. I gotta look at the back of it. I don't know if it's just me or anybody else, but I gotta look at the back, line everything up, and get it on there. This every time it's on there.
On the competitor, mine's I just go like this and turn it
every time.
And turn it.
Yeah, I mess up, but this one right here, every time it's on there, turns, locks in, mag. You know what I'm saying? You tighten up the bottom. After you get it where you want it, we tighten up this bottom screw here. Yeah, tighten it up a little bit more first. Once you get it where you want it, get it tight up. Look at this. This is lovely. I don't know. Yeah, Verveviper, all aluminum install. You know what I'm saying? Adjustable. You could, a little too high for you, you could adjust it down. You can go down a little bit. You can angle it this way. You need to go up here.
Yeah, that's dope.
You know what I'm saying? You can swing it around wherever you need it. You got multiple phones. You can buy different adapters, put it on different phones. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I'm saying Verveviper coming to take over the market on a phone holder. So if you need one, check out the link in the description. And your boy King Jaffe Joe, you know what I'm saying? Let him know. King Jaffe Joe sent you. Check out the link Check you in the next one. Peace.